Only 10 push-ups a day can change your body. Just 10 push-ups every day is a small habit with powerful results. This simple exercise activates your chest, shoulders, arms, and core at the same time. Even a low number of daily push-ups helps build strength and muscle endurance. Daily push-ups improve posture by strengthening the muscles that support your shoulders and spine. Better posture reduces neck and shoulder strain caused by long hours of sitting, as posture improves confidence naturally. Increases 10 push-ups a day also help boost metabolism. More muscle activation means your body burns more calories throughout the day. Over time, this supports fat loss. When combined with healthy eating, push-ups every day build discipline and consistency. Completing a small daily goal trains your mind to stay committed. This mindset helps you progress to higher reps and harder workouts. No gym, no equipment, no excuses, just 10 push-ups and a few minutes. Do them every day and start building a stronger, healthier body. So if you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your friends. And subscribe this channel. Also like this video. And text in comment box regarding which exercise you want to see next video.